नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि समीन अलीम मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and greetings to all the esteemed viewers. Today we shall be continuing in our discourse number 25 with the scholarly contribution of Hazrat Shaykh Sarfi rahmatullahi alayh. In the previous discourse, besides other aspects of contribution, I concluded there with his contribution to the tafsir literature, Quranic tafsir, that is more particularly with special reference to his Arabic tafsir of the Holy Quran, entitled as Matlabul Talibin fi Tafsiri Kalami Rabbil Alameen. Now we find that so far as his contribution to the Hadith literature is concerned, he has written an annotation, that is a shara on the Sahih al-Bukhari, which we place at serial number 1 in the Sahih Sita. So that is entitled as Sharhi Sahih al-Bukhari. It is an annotation of Sahih al-Bukhari, and it has been praised by many scholars. Secondly, we find that Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh has authored separately Sharhi Salasayat Bukhari. So most of our esteemed viewers might be in know of this fact that in Sahih al-Bukhari there are certain ahadith which have only 3 ravis or narrators. So these are called Salasayat Bukhari. According to Shaykh al-Hadith, Maulana Zakaria, the number of these ahadith is 22. So this work of Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh is an annotation of these ahadith, which are known as Salasayat Bukhari. Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh has also compiled 2 arba'in, that is Chahal Hadith. According to the biographers of Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh, he has compiled 2 arba'in. One is the compilation of the ahadith in which fazail or praises and virtues of Hazrat Ali Raziallahu Ta'ala have been expressed. And the other is the compilation of those ahadith, 40 ahadith, in which the fazail of the Ahl Bayat have been expressed. So these 2 arba'in were completed in 972 after Hijrah. The next contribution of Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh, we have his Khamsa, that is known as Sarfi's Khamsa, or 5 treasures of Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Alayh. These are regarded as masterpieces in the Persian literature. Among these we have Maslakul Akhyar, which is comparable to Nizami's Makhzan Asrar. It contains 4050 couplets and was completed in 993 after Hijrah. The second in his Khamsa we have Wamiku Azra, which is comparable to Nizami's Shirin Khosrow, and this was also completed in 993 after Hijrah. Third one in the Khamsa, we have Maghazi Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which deals with the Guzwat of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and this work was completed in 1000 after Hijrah. Fourth one, we have Maqamat Murshid. So on the life and miracles of his spiritual guide, Shaykh Hassan of Khawarizm, and it was also completed in 1000 after Hijrah. It contains 3000 couplets. Last of the Khamsa we have Laila Majnoon, which is a Mathnavi in Persian, and it is comparable to Nizami's and Jami's books of the same title. It was completed in 998 after Hijrah. Sarfi's other works include Risala Zikriya, which is a Persian prose. Then we have the Rawaiya, which deals with the Tasawwuf or Sufism. It was composed in the year 1568. Then we have his Manasikul Hajj in the Arabic language. Then Sharhi Rubaiyat. Next we have Hashe Tawzi. Then next work of Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullah Allah, we have Rasaili Mu'imma. Then next one we have Rasaili Kanzul Jawahir, which is a Persian prose. Then we have notes on Tawziyu Talvi, which is in Arabic. Then we have his Taqrizat. Then also one Awrad, which is known as Awrad Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah. In addition to these works, a collection of Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah's Persian lyrics, rubayas, and qasidas under the title Dewan Sarfi in 3 volumes is preserved in the J&K Research and Publications Library, Srinagar. Now, among the prominent disciples of Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah, we have Khwaja Habibullah Nawshari Rahmatullahi Allah, we have Maulana Hassan Afaki Rahmatullahi Allah, and we have Shah Qasim Haqqani Rahmatullahi Allah. He had hundreds of disciples. I have just mentioned the names of 3 prominent disciples of Hazrat Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah. Also, Muhammad Mir Khalifa, Mir Hassan, Mir Sayyid Hamza, and Abu Al, Hazrat Shaykh Ahmad Sarhindi Rahmatullahi Allah, also known as Mujaddid Al-Fisani, are also being included in the prominent disciples of Hazrat Shaykh Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah. This great scholar, Hazrat Sarfi Rahmatullahi Allah, his demise took place in 1003 after Hijrah, which corresponds to 1595 Christian era. He was mourned by the great personalities of his times and was buried near Zanakadal in Srinagar, Kashmir, and his shrine is known there as Ziyarat Hazrat Ishan Sahab Rahmatullahi Allah. With this, I thank you very much. I request my esteemed viewers to please favor us with your valuable views, share the video, and also subscribe to our channel Understanding Sufism or Tasawwuf. Fi Amanillahi Ta'ala.